video, I'm going to show you how to get coupons for Enfamil. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. I'm going to head on over to Google, and then from here I'm going to type in coupons for Enfamil inside the Google search. Alright, then it's going to bring me to a whole list of results here. So I've got Coupon Follow I can check out, Groupon, etc. Even Reddit. Reddit's a good spot to get coupon codes every now and then. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but a good one that generally works most of the time is Coupon Follow. So I'm going to click on the Coupon Follow. And now to activate any one of these orders, simply click onto it. So for this demonstration, we're going to get 25% off your order. And now I'm going to copy this code here, or I can click on Redeem at Enfamil, and that will direct me straight to their website and activate 25% off. So, but for this demonstration, I'm going to show you Enfamil. So I'm going to copy this code, which I have. And now at the checkout section of Enfamil, paste in that code where it says enter promo or discount code, and you will get 25% off your order.